Welcome back. I'm Suresh Machu from Machu Tattoos. So today the topic is beauty spot mole tattoo and how to do it and how to maintain it. So from Hollywood to Bollywood, Tollywood, Kollywood, Mollywood, all the actors, celebrities, if you have seen, they'll have the mole around their lips and the nose. They think that is the beauty enhancement. Some of the people gets artificially, some of the people get naturally by their birth. Now we are talking about the people who got artificially and how they are doing it and what is the beneficiary in that. People are thinking that that gives the lot of luck in their life, as well as this gives enhancing the beauty to the outer world. Let's get into the topic now. So what is the ink we use in this? When it comes to beauty spot mole tattoos, it comes under the micropigmentation of permanent makeup. So we use the most highly pigmented as well as the vegan certified inks. So it's not a harmful ink. So it's going to be on your face, and face is the most sensitive skin, and we do lot of makeups on top of it. So we make sure your tattoo looks always beautiful without any color fading. So you need to choose the ink which have a more pigmentation, and it should be a vegan ink which has a less chemical components in it, so it will be not cause any of the infection on the client's face. And then the next part is people used to ask how to maintain it by not turning as a green in color. So when it comes to maintaining by not turning as a green color, you need to keep controlling it by not exposing into the direct sun. Yes, that's the only option, because your tattoo is going to be on your skin and it should not be exposed into the direct sun. So depends on your body changes, your body temperature changes, tattoo also obviously gets changed. So you need to keep that neutralized, so your tattoo will be always look so dark, and you need to choose the best tattoo inks. As I said, you high pigmented tattoo inks, if you choose, it will be stays always darker on your skin, and don't let it that to be so dry always. Keeps moisturize it. And I'll explain you what are all the don'ts you need to do if you want it to be mold to be darker always. And many of the people do bleaching on their faces to get fairning. So if you do that, obviously your mold tattoo will obviously start to look fading in future. So but here the option is that you can do the retouch it up, so you no need to worry about it. But if you try to avoid the bleach and expand the durations between the bleaching sessions, then it can give you much more expansion and much more darkness for your mole tattoo. And we highly recommend you to use the best sunscreen lotions when you go outside to maintain that darkness by UV rays. And the another thing is use the quality aftercare cream which can give you the best output. We highly recommend tattoo protector cream which can give the awesome output. It will not only give moisture your skin, and it will be nourish your skin to get more darker and the more darker output of your ink. And then the last but not least important thing is, before getting into this permanent mold tattoo, you need to choose with the marker and you have a look at it, because once we done it, it's going to be there on your face lifelong. So first you just check with the marker, you have a look at it. If you like it and if you are satisfied to go ahead, then go ahead as the permanent tattoo, and don't die nude.